Stature, my beloved, when you walk, I am proud of your cypress-like stature. An outfit made of flowers fits your wonderful stature nicely. I am a nightingale, suffering because of you. You have taken my soul as a sacrifice for you. Left the belt behind by Zuleyha, befitting for your stature. My only wish will be fulfilled if I can see your face. Let my soul freeze in a severe wind. You are my fate, religion, and belief. I do respect your beautiful stature. My love for you makes me cry. I am accustomed to tolerate the pain and suffer throughout my entire life over your stature and your night clothing. He who is in love will sacrifice himself to see you. He will abandon his people. Mahtymguly will become a beggar for your stature that is like a miracle.